Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make cells transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint table. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide option. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and create a table. Select this table, then go to Table Design and click this Borders drop down menu and click this All Borders. Again select this full table, then click Shading drop down menu, then click this No Fill. Here we can see table cells makes transparent. You can write any text of this cell. You can see make cells are transparent. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for